Sparkle and Shine Miri Magic from Hunkydory is a beautiful mirror finish collection with multicolored foiling. So this is just gorgeous. What you're seeing first is that cardstock has a Miri finish all over the whole thing. The whole thing has that nice shine to it, but even around it, it has additional foiling. And the images in here, they're going to come in different colors. You can see the foiling here is a pale green right there and a purple. So it's got multicolors. You're seeing both of those colors. To a wonderful friend, this is going to be great for year-round, especially for you. You're going to get birthdays, you're going to get lots of different sentiments. So let's get into the kit. You're getting 109 multi-foil die cuts. So all that beautiful, it's so shiny because of the Miri sheet. I mean, it's all over, all the way out to the edges, that Miri sheet. But then that beautiful foiling as well. You've got green, or teal really, and purple. So here, the images too are just really pretty. They're just fun, and this is just really sweet. This is all cupcakes on a tiered thing there. That's really great. And I love the ovals. This has got pink foiling, and it's nested, so you can pop those out individually. Teacups. Let's see. Our friendship is like a cup of tea, a special blend of you and me. May all your birthday wishes come true. So lots of really fun sentiments. You've got the really fun imagery too. Gosh, you're going to open this up. They're going to open this up and see something so beautiful. The foiling on this one is purple and gold on this one with this really bright, shiny imagery. Very beautiful. We've got butterflies. We've got birthday cakes, birthday presents with that teal foiling. We have a big mixing stand with some nice treats there. And I love this old-fashioned sewing machine. Celebrate your day, home sweet home, happiness is homemade. And this one has teal, or a kind of a dark teal, almost a blue and pink foiling. This one has a pink foiling with very beautiful imagery. We've got a perfume bottle down here. This is a nice dark one, dark reds with dark rusty red colored, sort of burgundy foiling actually on there. Lots of flowers on this one. This one's all about love, just for you, and being a true friend. Also, happy birthday. So, oh gosh, look at that bright blues and purples on this one with peacocks, just for you, spread color wherever you go. This one has some nice little cocktail pieces, really cute. The best cocktails are the ones we drink with friends, it says, so that's kind of interesting. We've got purples, we've got a rust-colored orange in there, and then we get into the 18 Miri sheets. So these are all Miri sheets, 18 of them. They are A4 sized. They are 350 weight GSM, so nice and heavy duty, and they're going to match the images that you see. So really beautiful, shiny Miri images. These are single-sided, so they're on one side, and you're not going to need a whole lot of this to cover a card. It says that you can make at least 18 cards, and I know that's true, but you're probably going to be able to make more. Anytime I've used a Hunkydory kit, there are always extra die cuts left over, and extra Adorable Scorable, this what we're looking at, that you can do more with. Adorable Scorable is called that because when you score it, when you score a line across it and you fold it, it's not going to break the image. It's not going to tear into the image. It's going to give you a nice clean fold, and it's just a beautiful look with all of this Miri. Little strips of this will make gorgeous borders. So let's just get through these. You know that they're going to match those die cuts. You're getting lots of beautiful images that go with it for the front of your card, for the inside of your card. And then again, there's one of the cards with the die cuts just stacked and foam taped on top of each other off the edges. So that's really beautiful. Here's that birthday card, that nice birthday cake. The die cut that was a frame around here has been removed. You can save those removed pieces and put a frame around a photo in a scrapbook page. Look at this, it's an easel card, so that's really fun. Just do it in two pieces like that. You can see through there. Really beautiful. And oh my gosh, that nice dark rose, it's so gorgeous. It's really dark, kind of hard for you to see maybe here, but it's really has a rich look. absolutely beautiful looks with the Miri sheets. And this is the Sparkle and Shine Miri Magic from Hunkydory.